Hello, good morning. I'm actually super excited to film this video today because when I was thinking of what I should film when I woke up, I kind of caught myself thinking that I couldn't make a food-related video today because I'm currently staying in my sister's new apartment and we don't really have it fully furnished. The kitchen is kind of like halfway there. We don't have a lot of spices or just general things that make cooking easier, and so I wouldn't be able to make really pretty, aesthetically pleasing meals. And even though I like to put a lot of love and energy and time into my food, realistically, I don't do that the majority of the time, and I don't think most people do. So why not show the ugly food that is just kind of thrown together with whatever is in the refrigerator, because that's real life and that's important too. So that is what we are doing today. It is also realistic in the sense that I typically like to intermittent fast. Not fully, like I don't wait till 2 p.m. or anything, but usually like I'll start eating around 11 or so, but I woke up really hungry today. So we are eating, even though it's only 9:30. My phone is ringing. Hello? Hi, Mom. No, I'm having a good time. It's really hot. It's really hot. Sorry about that. I don't remember what I was saying. Hopefully I finished my thought. If you're new here, hello, my name is Tori or Victoria. If you're not new here, welcome back. If you already like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's eat. Ideally, I was using frozen bananas for a better consistency, but I didn't freeze them, so oh well.
Doctor, my eyes have seen the years and the slow parade of fears without crying. Now I want to understand. I have done all that I could to see the evil and the good without hiding. You must help me if you can. Doctor, my eyes.
So my camera died, so you didn't get to see me drink the smoothie, but that was way smaller than I intended to make. I haven't made a smoothie in a really long time because I was traveling for a few months, and so I didn't have a kitchen, and I like forgot how to make a proper smoothie. So I'm still really hungry. I think I'm gonna make some toast right now, but we don't have a toaster yet, so I think I'll probably do it in a pan. Don't judge me. I'm just using this sourdough bread. Shit. So there's no dining room table yet, so the couch has been our table. Oh, and over here, get excited because we're gonna do a vegan seasonal items at Trader Joe's this fall taste test. So be sure to subscribe so that you can catch that taste test once it comes out. I was trying to get the crunch because it was like ASMR, but that one wasn't as crunchy. So it is a few hours later, but I'm starting to get hungry again. For the past couple hours, I've just been looking at vans online because I'm starting to get interested in the whole van life thing. We'll see. I'm just sort of exploring options right now. It's a potential future for myself. But anyway, I'm getting really hungry, so I'm gonna go start making food. I have two options. I have leftovers from Vietnamese last night. I'll just go show you them. So yeah, it was just rice noodles with veggies, and then I could add more tofu, and that's sort of the faster option, but I'm not sure if I'm in the mood for it. Or I could make a tempeh sort of Mexican style bowl with veggies and salsa and everything, and I don't know what to do. So I think I'm gonna make the tempeh Mexican bowl. Unfortunately, I don't have any spices, which kind of sucks if I'm making a Mexican bowl, because I would love to throw some cumin and paprika or chili powder or anything in there, but as I said earlier, we're living with less.
It's wrong, 'cause I am wise to leave them open for so long.
So I was really excited and about to make guac for this, and then I realized that we don't even have lemons. So can't make guac without lemons or lime or anything acidic, so it's okay. We're just going to enjoy it without. So I'm giving in. these are gonna have to get opened. I know that I was supposed to save them and try them in the haul, but I really need tortilla chips to go with this meal because I don't get guac, I don't get taco seasoning or any spices, I don't get lemon, so I should at least get tortilla chips. And these even aren't even normal tortilla chips, they are pumpkin tortilla chips, but still better than none, so sorry. They smell like straight pumpkin, but oh well. That's interesting. I feel like I want it to be sweet because of the pumpkin, but it's salty. It's not bad, it's just weird. So if I were trying to make this pretty right now, I would totally put the lemon or lime right there and move this tomato. But we're not doing that. We're just gonna eat it. We're gonna eat it, we're gonna enjoy it, and it doesn't have to be beautiful. I probably shouldn't be eating in bed, but I wanna keep looking at fans. So, here we are. Okay. Oh, the salsa, fuck. Okay, so, this is why you shouldn't eat in your bedroom. Avocado everywhere. I didn't want to eat on the bed because it was risky because I put the salsa like that because it's super spicy and I don't want to pour too much of it. So I'm kind of just gonna add as I go. Let's see. Much better. Yeah, it needed a little something to make it not as dry because tempeh can be pretty dry if you don't do anything to it. So if you're using this video as like recipe inspiration, sorry, but if you actually add seasoning to the whole tempeh veggie mix, it's actually really good. I've made it before and it tastes like taco filling. And lemon is also a great addition. Guacamole would have been nice. Onion, bell pepper too. But oh wow, this is still good. Still getting my nutrients in. Pumpkin. So I just got home from running some errands and I'm hungry again. It's been a couple hours since lunch and I have this half of a vegan maple donut from Whole Foods. So it's a little stale because we got it yesterday for my sister's birthday, but it's still a donut. So it is dinner time and I'm super happy that I already have food that is ready to just heat up because I don't feel like cooking right now. Here I just have some rice noodles with veggies that I got at a Vietnamese restaurant last night. I was thinking of heating it up with some more tofu to make it a little more filling, but honestly I feel like this is gonna be enough and I'm really feeling lazy. So I'm just gonna heat this up as is and call it a day. Wow, this is such an unattractive setting. But oh well, I'm super excited to dig in. I actually had to go run and put my laundry in the dryer. This probably won't be the last thing I eat. I'll probably have dessert, so I'll be seeing you soon. So I'm going to end the night with one of these cookies for dessert. And then probably go to bed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful in some way, or at least enjoyed watching it. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to catch that Trader Joe's taste test. And yeah, I will see you soon.
Doctor, my eyes, tell me what you see.